Day 8 of the Paxton impeachment trial featured more combative exchanges between prosecutors and defense attorneys.
There is personal identifying information that has not... May I finish?
Stop not talking over each other.
This fight Thursday morning was over the federal and state investigation of Austin developer Nate Paul, currently charged with committing a multi-million-dollar bank fraud. 3 years ago, Paul tried to obtain sealed information about his case through public information request. He got some documents but wanted more. Thursday, defense and prosecutors clashed over which documents are now public and admissible as evidence.
We get to this FBI request for their blacked out brief, and what we see is that the FBI directly gives a copy of the brief to the requester, to Nate Paul. Is that correct?
Objection, Your Honor. It should be made clear for the record that we are talking about two different briefs, one in May and one in June. And the one in June, yes, there's no dispute. The FBI provided that to Nate Paul's counsel. That is not the one that contains the sensitive information that we have been discussing.
Defense attorneys want to show it's possible that Nate Paul got the information he needed without help from Paxton. Defense attorneys also tried to defend this internal report issued by the Attorney General's staff. It concluded the Paxton whistleblowers made false and inaccurate claims and cleared Paxton of any wrongdoing for helping Nate Paul. Austin Kinghorn, the agency's legal counsel, said there was no pressure from Paxton to write the report, but he was pressed about its truthfulness during cross-examination.
So earlier when Mr. Hilton asked you if you believed in the OAG report, you're not actually saying anything in it is true or not true, or that any of us should really entertain your opinion on it, right?
Objection, argumentative, misstates testimony.
Overruled.
Can you restate the question?
Your opinion on the Office of the Attorney General report being truthful is irrelevant to this proceeding because you will not address the statements within it. Is that accurate?
I don't agree with the question as you phrased it.
Thursday afternoon, Henry De La Garza, the agency's HR director, testified. He stood by the decision to fire and/or release the whistleblowers. He also denied that they had been retaliated against by the agency for reporting their concerns. De La Garza, in cross-examination, admitted he based his opinion on information given to him by staff members loyal to Paxton and agreed with the prosecutor's analogy: garbage in, garbage out.
I did.